Hello, good morning. So it's the Village Wanderer, and today we are on the Kapchorwa-Suam-Endebess-Kitale road, which is under construction, and we are basically assessing how far the construction has gone. A lot of work is going on the ground, a lot of road diversions. The road has currently reached Kitale town environs, so we are hoping that it will soon be completed, but so far so good. We are seeing so much work going on, and we'll be here to give you updates on what's happening. So I'm on the ground, and let's keep going. The Kapchorwa-Suam-Endebess-Kitale Road project is a multinational operation that provides an important link between Uganda and Kenya. It's a regional road traversing via Suam border and supports regional and national socio-economic growth strategies. The project road supports the regional integration objective of member countries of East African Community and the Great Lakes region, especially Uganda and Kenya, by connecting to Suam and further linking with Democratic Republic of Congo and South Sudan. The road starts at Suam at the international border with Uganda and proceeds in a southeasterly fashion through Endebess to end at Kitale, a total distance of about 45 kilometers. The work includes building a bypass around the city of Eldoret and the dualling of the road section between Kitale and Matisi. I shall cover the almost completed Eldoret bypass in an upcoming episode. This important road is meant to decongest Eldoret town. Stay tuned for that. The project road, together with the Ugandan road that connects to it, the Kapchorwa-Suam road, form an important transport corridor between the two countries, sometimes referred to as the Kapchorwa-Suam-Endebess-Kitale Eldoret Road Corridor. This is a transformative project that contributes to socio-economic development and regional integration in eastern Uganda and western Kenya. So today, like I said earlier, we are updating you on the construction of the Suam-Kitale road, which is almost complete. One side of the dual carriageway is almost complete. It will be complete when they do both sides, which makes it a 4-lane as it gets into the CBD of Kitale town. So we're keeping abreast with that progress and just seeing what is happening with regard to this construction. In addition, the improvement of the road will promote the effort of the governments in poverty reduction through better road infrastructure in the two countries by providing all-weather access for the supply of farm inputs and evacuation of produce to major market centers, thus improving the level of service and efficiency of the road network and reducing transport costs. Both people and goods move along this corridor, with Ugandans buying fuel, fertilizer and maize seeds from Kenya, and Kenyans buying bananas, sugar, electric power and rental accommodation from Uganda. The construction period of the roads contracts will be 36 months for Uganda and 30 months for Kenya. The sector goal of the project is to contribute to socio-economic development, poverty reduction, and regional integration through an improved and sustainable transport system that links centers of economic activity. The objective of the project is to improve access and connectivity between Uganda and Kenya, as well as to stimulate economic activity in the eastern parts of Uganda and western part of Kenya and ease the traffic congestion along the northern corridor. The direct beneficiaries of the project outputs are the 1.4 million people living in the project zone of influence area, local and regional traders and transporters using the project road. The benefits shall include reduced time of travel to economic and social services, notably markets, schools, health facilities, administrative facilities, and a boost to more sustainable trade both locally and regionally. Reduced travel time shall be associated with reduced travel costs, improved survival out of vehicle accidents and maternal emergencies, and health services of local communities. We are certainly keeping tabs on this project, particularly the completion of the one-stop border post. The Wandering Villager will be here to update you with all the developments as they happen. If you've liked today's episode, kindly give the video a like. You can also subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you're aware every time I upload a video. Until the next one, bye bye.